Welcome to demonstration of spray paint art part 1. So I'm using a glossy paper, A3 in size, and the reason why it's gloss is because you want a glossy finish. Okay. Then I'll be using the props that I bought and made myself. Right, now you can't buy these anywhere just yet, but it will being what it is, somebody will sell them soon. Right, so what we've got here is a basic plastic disc, probably 12 centimetres in diameter, 2 millimetres thick, right? And what I've done with this is add a mug holder, right? Now with the mug holder, all we do is place it there, right? Now that's to be a planet, right? And here I'll just show you for various sizes of work. This is all a new set. These are all different sizes of planets, right? For various projects, right? Now they're all unused because once they're used they'll all be spray paint all over them. But what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to demonstrate what happens, right? In black and white. So I'm going to take my black spray paint. This will be a black and white composition. Right. So what you do is you get a black paint and you just spray an outline for your planet, right? Or in it, a wee outline. Right. So that's what you would do in the first instance. You would take your planets and spray paint them so they're positioned in your spacescape, right? Then once that's dried, I'll come back with the next video and show you part 2. So stay tuned. Thank you.